You heard of manifest destiny? That's when you take what you can when you can. The Greasers took it from the Redskins and we took it from them. And I'm gonna take it all from you, Jack, and not just because I can. But because this is my destiny.
Now beginning into shoulder and chest day. Is hitting reader delts in the beginning. I realized that I had the cable too high. A little too late. We're going to do some dumbbell shoulder press. Starting off with my flyweight to warm up the muscles. Moving into some isolation shoulder press to work on the deficiencies or non-dominant side. Moving up the weight by 5 pounds up to 45. Top set of 50 pounds on the dumbbell shoulder isolation. And a little bit of a different workout. I saw it from Alex Eubank. It's the rear delts. As you can see, it's pretty solid. I can do it every once in a while. Gives you a pretty mean pump. Yes, the form wasn't the greatest, but here we go, dumbbell front raises. And then here's just a better view from the side on my dumbbell front raises with 30 pounds. Really control the weight. And here's some dumbbell side raises. Moving into chest, using the incline assisted bench press machine. I typically just like to stick to incline, as I prefer having a bigger upper chest rather than building lower. I do tend to hit the lower every now and then too. Here was my top set. So a new PR for me on this assisted bench press machine too, so it's pretty solid. Some side delt raises on the cable machine. I've never really done these, and it shows with just how much of lightweight I can barely do, so I'm going to need to do these more often. And here are the results with the pump. Do little poses. Here's my midday meal. Big Mac McChicken, pizza with jalapenos, crushed red peppers, 2 breakfast sandwiches, 2 sausages, and a salad. Man. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. I just got back from the thrift, bought a few cool things. I'm getting ready for the gym. So right now I'm just making my pre-workout shake. I got some pineapples in there, cranberries, and I got some fresh coconut water from Actual Coconut. And I like the stuff you get from the store in the fucking containers and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And I got that in my water for my gym shake for intro workout. And this is one of the cool finds I got at the thrift for $1. Look at this, check this out for $1. It's magnetic base. Tell me that's not the coolest thing you ever seen. Here's the fit for today. It's peak game. Got my vintage Marlin hat. I got my new Sworn shirt, moss green. I got my Aeropostale shorts, some Nike socks, and my Vans hemp shoes. Here we go, just setting up for the hack squat machine. Moving into our starting warm up, because you always gotta warm up the muscles. You can't just hop right into heavy weight, because it's like your muscles are like a rubber band. So think about it. Here we go, moving into some moderate weight. Feeling a little heavy now. Here we are at a top set. Yeah, I know my depth could be better, but I'm at least hitting 90, so that's good enough for me. I'll try to get better depth the next time. Moving to our back part of quad and back day. Some rows, wide grip. We go with some isolat front pull downs to end it off. What's up, guys? It's Thursday. Today was the last day of classes for this semester, so pretty excited on that. Did not go because I didn't really feel need to. I just got one final test in liberal arts math, and finishing up this group project for systems analysis. And right now I'm about to head to the gym and go hit quad and calf day.
Yeah, this is how I grow my tiny calves, so they're bigger and better and stronger. You see my baby calves, which is baby cow getting a little bit bigger. Here's some leg curls. You see with my Bigfoot hairy ass legs going up on that bad boy. These, just gotta incorporate them into leg day. Thank you later. People always talk about themselves machines or whatever. Hey, oh fuck. I don't know what it is, pendulum squat, man. You put on some lightweight and it just freaking destroys, man. It destroys your legs.
right. We just have a few announcements here I'd like to make, but wish everybody a good evening, and on behalf of Fortress Solutions, I would like to welcome everyone to our employee holiday event for 2022. Just a friendly word of advice, everybody please have a safe trip on your return home tonight. You know, we want to make a fun evening out of this. We just want to make sure we have no issues at the end of the evening. But we have a lot of raffle tickets and some really nice giveaways to give away today. So if you haven't put your raffle tickets in, please do it shortly. We're going to have some announcements here. And then we're going to jump right into some of the prize giveaway weeks. But,
good stress, not bad stress.
Right, good stress.
Good
But if we could have Michelle, if you'd like to stand up, John Maggio, Chris Monson, and the entire committee that helped put this together. Thank you very much. Great job. Okay, I'd also like to introduce, we are fortunate enough to have our CEO here today, Brendan Mills, and his wife, Kristen. Thank them, they're the ones paying for the event. But no, we'd just like to hope everybody has a good time. Make sure you drop your raffle tickets in. I think Brendan is going to say a few words about 2022 and 2023, and I'll turn that over to Brendan.
On talking about the year and whatnot, I'd like to make a special introduction to Carlos Silva, and he's our recipient for our scholarship award this year, so we're very excited about Carlos and what you've accomplished here, and thank you for coming tonight. Appreciate that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
We've really tried to make an initiative this past year, not only with things like our diversity committee, but also trying to get some scholarship activity going as well, both here and in Plano as well. So very pleased that you were able to join us tonight, so thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Just a few thoughts about 2022 and 2023, and I apologize for the spouses. We've come off an interesting year with some declining amounts of repair activity through the business. To actually quantify that for you, in 2021 we did about 175,000 repairs across all of our facilities. In 2022 that dropped to 135,000, and this year we're planning for about 98,000. So we've seen some ebbs and flows on the repair business, and there's a lot of changes going on, and I've got some exciting news to talk about tonight regarding the repair pieces of our business. First of all, we're planning a smaller amount of repairs next year, but what we've seen now in the last couple of years is every time we go in for a new contract, it's been a price reduction over the last 5 or 10 years. And over the last 12 months or so, the market has changed. Of course, we all know about inflation last year and the rising costs and all that stuff. Well, it's finally made it to this legacy repair side of the business, and we've been able to go in and get a lot of good, the verbal commitment from Verizon to accept a very large price increase on all the Verizon cards that we have. So much so that if we overlaid the 2023 pricing onto 2022, we would have got an additional $3 million of business. And so it's about a 26% increase on pricing Verizon, so it's going to be very, very helpful for next year. So even though we're planning a smaller year in repair, where we have the same amount of revenue we'll generate in 2023 off of repair that we did in 2022, just because of all the price increases we're rolling into the business. So that's very exciting. We've also seen a big dynamic change in the hard drive upgrades, which the Leesburg team's been very good at this year. You're going to see more of those. There's going to be 2 additional hard drive upgrades that come online about mid-year that you guys are working on, Matthew's team. And we've got to get those approved through Verizon. But last year alone, the hard drive upgrades that you guys have made successful equated to about $3 million of repair business last year. So it's a very meaningful amount of business. And this year it might be between $3 and $5 million just in the hard drive upgrades. So it's very exciting. So we've got price increases rolling in, not only from Verizon, but with Nokia. And we also have some good success on the new growth markets as well. I've talked to you about EV charging. That is becoming more exciting as it comes online. As EV being electrical vehicles and charging. This year in 23, we're going to forecast about $2 million in revenue in EV charging business. And hopefully we're going to get some repair activity rolling in through some of those. Also, we've got a big services contract in Washington, D.C. at this place called National Landing, and through a partner called JBG Smith, and that's going to be well over $1 million in that opportunity as well. So some really good growth in the services business, and we're very excited about next year. So we just finished our plan. It's looking pretty good. Even though we anticipate the economy will be in a somewhat of a recessionary mode through 2023, we feel like we have the business well in hand, and we're very excited about what we've been able to do and to minimize the impacts of this inflation and all the other things going on. So again, I won't bore you with any more details. I'll save that for my boring town halls that I come out and do. But at least we wanted to talk a little bit about it today and let you know that very happy about the position that we're in, and 23 will be very exciting. And we get to turn on our new Verizon pricing on January 1st, 2023. And Danielle, I know where you are, but I talked to her earlier. Here you are. And that's going to be a real go rodeo to get all that accomplished and billed correctly. But it's going to be about $100,000 to $200,000 more per month just on that pricing increase that we turn on January 1st. So I can't wait for the new pricing to come out. So that's all more in my life. Anyway, all this and our ability to do this all is as a result of all the hard work that you guys have done, and I appreciate all the help. And I know it's had some trials and tribulations this past year, but we've done the things that we had to do for the business, and we're excited about 23, even though the economy's still a little worrisome, but we feel very, very well positioned on it. So anyway, my wife Christy and I thank you very much for all your hard work, and have a good time tonight as we roll through it. So.
Happy holiday.
I mean, when we do events like this, it takes a lot of planning, a lot of work, and to see so many people show up is great. So Annette and I are going to start doing the raffle tickets. Has everybody put their tickets in? Yeah. All right, let's start over here. What we're going to do is call the ticket. Hold on. We're going to call the ticket, and then once you come up, hold on.
Robert McGee, Mandy Drumright, and Jackie Taylor. For the spouses and other visitors who are attending tonight, how we pick the employee of the year or the month, it's selected by those employee peers. So each employee, each employee has the option to submit a coworker throughout the month, and then we have a committee that gets together and pulls based on those comments that are submitted. We pick an employee of the month. Just one thing to remember, we do have a couple people that have won it this year that are no longer here, so that's why we only have 11 contestants today. Say again? Yeah, Bubba, your name's not on the list, buddy. But I'll turn this over to Brendan right now. He's going to talk a little bit about the employee of the year and make the final announcement. So,
thanks. We're really trying to do a little bit different this year on Employee of the Year and make it very merit-based. And so I want to talk a little bit about your comments when you actually submit Employee of the Month. We're basing pretty much the entire selection on those comments. And so as we go into next year, when you do make this recommendation every month on an employee, put as much in there as you can to talk about what they're doing. So we're really trying to make this merit-based and and make something that's make an impact more than just drawing this out of a hat. Now again, this award also comes with $1,000 as well. That'll come up in your next paycheck as well. It's a nice award for sure. This individual this year, I'm very excited to announce, is Rick Wolford. Impact on the UN 375 and 376 products, the hard drive upgrades. So you made a huge impact this year on that. And thank you very much. Congratulations. Now we'll take a picture. So please, as you go into next year, put as much information on the comments as you can. So we're really trying to base it on the person that had the most impact to the company and who really made a difference. So thank you so much and congratulations again, Rick.
One thing to add, Rick was, his name was submitted for 3 other months, a total of 4 months out of 12 months out of the year. So his co-workers feel pretty proud of him. We have Sally playing, I think it's 7:15, so everyone enjoy the evening, and if you need extra tickets, go see Nancy Rogers. She's loaded with them.
So